Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Otter.ai to HubSpot for capture from LinkedIn leads, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Otter.ai account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Integrations tab found in the menu. Look for HubSpot in the list of available integrations. Click on the Connect button next to HubSpot. You will be redirected to the HubSpot login page. Enter your HubSpot credentials and authorize the connection. After authorization, return to your Otter.ai dashboard. Next, locate the settings icon in the top right corner. Click on Settings, then select Linked Accounts. Find the option to connect LinkedIn. Click on the Connect button for LinkedIn. Log into your LinkedIn account if prompted. Grant Otter.ai the necessary permissions. Once LinkedIn is connected, return to your Otter.ai dashboard. Now, go to the Import section. Select Import from LinkedIn to capture leads. Choose the relevant leads you want to import. Confirm the selection and click Import. Your LinkedIn leads will start syncing with Otter.ai. Monitor the progress on the dashboard. Once the import is complete, navigate to your imported files. Review the transcriptions to ensure accuracy. Utilize the features in Otter.ai to analyze and organize your leads. Finally, integrate any insights into your HubSpot CRM for follow-up actions. This completes the setup and connection process for capturing LinkedIn leads in Otter.ai with HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.